Welcome to our channel One to Step everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how you guys can check your blocked list on TikTok. So what is a blocked list? Well, blocked list is basically the list of people which you have blocked, which is going to be shown in one place, and I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can access that list to see which are the people you have blocked. Alright, and before I show you that list, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, then hit that subscribe to our channel with notification turned on, and let's move on. First thing first, open up your TikTok and click on profile at the bottom right of your screen. Once you're in the profile section of your TikTok, at the top right there is going to be the three line. You want to click on the three line. Once you do that, where it says settings and privacy, you want to click on settings and privacy, and over here where it says privacy, the second option right below account, you want to click on privacy. Once you're inside privacy, scroll all the way down until you see blocked accounts. It's going to be the last option, but in your case it might be somewhere in the middle, so make sure to search for it. It should be on the privacy section though. Alright, click on blocked account, and all the accounts you have blocked, their list is going to be shown over here. Now I have only blocked this person, that's why it's only showing me him, but if I had blocked multiple people, all the people's name are going to be shown over here. And if you want to unblock anybody from this list, right beside their name there is going to be the unblock button. Just click on it and they're going to be unblocked, and if you want to block them again, just click on block and click on block, they will be blocked again, but I'm just going to unblock. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can check your blocked list on TikTok. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel One Step. For future videos just like this, I will be seeing you guys on my next video. Bye bye.